By now, one thing should be clear. Social engineering attacks are designed to feel normal. That's what makes prevention challenging, but not impossible. The goal isn't to memorize every type of attack. It's to build habits that help you recognize when something isn't quite right. Let's walk through what that looks like in practice. First, slow the situation down. Most social engineering attacks depend on speed. If someone is pushing you to act immediately, pause. Creating a moment to think can be enough to break the attacker's strategy. Second, separate the request from the source. Even if a message appears to come from someone you trust, focus on what's being asked. Is it unusual? Does it bypass normal procedures? If so, verify it using a different method. Third, treat unexpected communication as a signal, not a command. If you weren't expecting an email, call, or message, especially one involving sensitive information, take a step back and evaluate it. This is especially important because phishing and related tactics still account for a large portion of attacks. Fourth, limit how much information is available to attackers. Details shared online, like job roles, responsibilities, or vendor relationships, can be used to craft highly convincing messages. Fifth, use your security tools consistently. Multi-factor authentication, secure login practices, and company-approved communication channels all add layers of protection. They don't eliminate risk, but they make attacks much harder to succeed. And finally, report early, even if you're unsure. Speed matters. Some reports show attackers can move from initial access to deeper system compromise in under an hour. Early reporting gives your security team a chance to respond before damage is done. Recent threat intelligence also highlights that social engineering is expanding beyond email, impacting phone systems, supply chains, and even physical operations. That means awareness needs to extend beyond your inbox. The most effective defense is a workplace culture where people feel comfortable questioning requests, double-checking details, and speaking up. When you pause, verify, and report, you take away the one thing attackers rely on most: quick, unquestioned action.